This is the new Tesla project that will revolutionize the world. Elon Musk finally announced the new Tesla house, the first ever house that will be 100% self-sustainable. Sometimes I wonder what's left for Elon Musk to accomplish in this world. We've seen him conquer land and space. Without a doubt, he's come to revolutionize the world. Tesla's effect on the automobile sector is well known. Elon Musk and Tesla, on the other hand, are seeking to alter practically every aspect of our everyday lives. Elon Musk wants to ensure that the world will live and does not become a smoking waste by putting electric cars in every garage and solar panels on every roof. There's more to it though. Tesla's solar roofs are no longer the only option. Tesla has been devoted to providing items and services that support a healthy, environmentally sustainable way of living since its start in 2003. Therefore, it's no wonder that they've constructed an ecologically friendly house for the general public. And in today's video, we will take a look inside Tesla's new house. Elon Musk being a major wealthy person, you would expect him to live in a big house like most celebrities do. But not Elon, he is a simple man. Despite the fact of being the second richest man in the world, his main residence isn't huge or what anyone would expect it to be. Elon Musk lives in a small $50,000 home near SpaceX research and testing facilities in Boca Chica, Texas. He recently announced in June that he sold most of his real estate holdings and that the small house was now his primary home. After a couple of weeks, Elon Musk revealed he finally decided to sell the last home he owned. His decision wasn't made out of the blue, as he revealed on Twitter that he now only owns a property in San Francisco Bay Area, which is rented out for events, and that if it were to be sold, he would make less use of it until a family buys it, which could eventually happen. Elon Musk's decision to sell his mansion was also prompted by the fact that, according to an article, American billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett pay barely their fair share in taxes and at various times none at all. This article revealed that America's richest executives pay only a fraction of their wealth in taxes as their combined net worth increased on June 9th. Just days after the report, Elon Musk tweeted about his last house saying, "Yes, sold my houses except for one in Bay Area that's rented out for events. Working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX. AI risk mitigation with Neuralink and fixing traffic with Boring." This left us all intrigued, or at least me. Elon Musk stated earlier that his primary residence is worth $50,000, as I mentioned earlier. What I am understanding about this whole situation is that Elon Musk is not looking to be on Earth for long. He has multiplanetary aspirations, including sending people to Mars by 2026. As a billionaire, one would think that he would live in a magnificent house, but otherwise he lives in a small bungalow designed by Boxabl. But what exactly is this house, and where can someone buy one? Well, these houses are called Boxable Casitas. The Boxable homes are factory built to fold into a conventional shipping container. They are made from steel, concrete, and expanded polystyrene foam. This is the result of years of prototyping to find non-degradable materials. The floors, walls, and roofs are built with laminated panels. The modules can be driven on highways. Shipping will be free in Arizona, California, Nevada, and Utah with additional charges as the distance to delivery increases. Delivery and unpacking are included in the $50,000 price, while land permits and other requirements may incur additional charges. For example, plumbing and electricity. Heating and cooling are pre-installed and ready for connection at the residence. The casita is fully equipped and can be configured as a studio with 375 square feet of living space. The ceiling is about 10 feet high. The casita offers a full-size kitchen and double sink, refrigerator and dishwasher, and an eating area is built into the corner tops, which runs the length of the room. The cabinets extend along the walls, allowing for storage. Although the kitchen can only accommodate one person at a time, there is enough space to keep the pantry well stocked. A sliding glass door in the bathroom saves space while still being compact. In the bathroom, there is plenty of counter space. The bathroom contains a glass door, shower, and a tub. A lighted mirror is included in the vanity. The washer and dryer are located just outside the bathroom. The main living room space is completely open, which is one of the many advantages of the casita over a normal studio apartment. A built-in divider and TV stand separate the bedroom and living room. Casitas can be a bit tight with only 375 square feet of space, but casitas seem to be a good alternative for a single person or a couple. There is no need to look for unique furniture to fit into these tight spaces because they arrive fully furnished according to Boxabl. The Casita is an energy-efficient home as it is built with insulation technology and employs LED lighting, all of which increases comfort and savings. The company does not yet have a website where you can check local zoning to decide what you're allowed to build or not. To reserve your spot for a casita, just go to their official website. There you will see an ad to reserve your spot. Without a doubt, a revolutionary invention. What do you guys think? With nothing more to add, I'll see you on our next video.